Today we are going outside to capture the animal. We will be recording with this camera. Let's go. We are now going to capture the animal in this truck. Now we will be traveling to Antarctica to find the animal. I will need to be surviving on this water for 6 days, so I must make use of it very proficiently. So I must go find more water. Oh snap! My Adidas jacket is keeping me very warm. After 5 days, we have made it to the Antarctic, but there is very much and not a lot of snow everywhere. I am definitely not wearing Reebok shorts. Now that we're in the Antarctic, we must find food and Look, a dog! And in these types of chances, you must take every opportunity for food you get. You must stay quiet or else the beast will hear you. I'm about to catch it. Okay. Since we didn't catch the dog, now we don't have food. So we must turn and eat cow. Cow is very good for you. I'm definitely eating the cow. Now that we have spotted the animal, we must go back to Kansas. Crikey's!
That tickles.
Now that we have spotted the animal in the Arctic, we must go back to Kansas, where we can eat fried chicken. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Now that we have spotted the animal in